We are finishing the color with an interesting color. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you've got the color QARA. Ga-ara. QARA is black or dark, gloomy. Sometimes it can be used for the word unlucky. How? Let's see. Black leaf, black pen, unlucky day. Qara yarpaq, when it gets old and darkens, yarpaq. Turkish, they call it yaprak. Azerbaijani call it yarpaq. Qara qələm. Qələm is a pen. I have seen people using this qələm for pencil too, unfortunately. That is because we have another word for pencil. That is the loan word, karandash, from Russian. So you can see it being used both ways, qələm. Otherwise, it's straightforward for pen. Unlucky day, qara gün. It's like something all bad happens, dark, gloomy things happen. That's when you call it qara gün. Now, let's use some of these in the sentences to understand better. Səhər tezdən qara pencəyimi geyinib evdən tələsik çıxdım. Çünki işin ilk günündə gecikmək heç cür istəmirdim. Let's see. Early in the morning, I put on my black jacket and rushed out of the house because I absolutely did not want to be late on my first day of work. Early in the morning, səhər tezdən. Qara pencəyimi geyinib, pencəyim, my black jacket. That's how you know the suffix. Pencək is jacket. Pencəyim, my jacket. Which jacket? Black jacket. Qara pencəyimi geyinib, I put it on. Evdən tələsik çıxdım and rushed out of the house. Tələsik in a hurry. Çıxdım, left it basically, exited. I.e. rushed out of the house. Çünki, because, işin ilk günündə, on my first day of work, gecikmək, to be late, heç cür, absolutely, istəmirdim, did not want. Alright, next one. Bugün hər şey tərs getdi. Sanki qara gün idi. Avtobus gecikdi, telefon söndü, görüş də təxirə düşdü. Let's see what happened. Everything went wrong today, as if it were an unlucky day. The bus was late, the phone died, and the meeting was postponed. Bugün, today, everything, hər şey, tərs getdi, went wrong. Sanki, as if, qara gün idi. It was or there was an unlucky black day. Avtobus gecikdi. Avtobus is a loan word. Gecikdi was late. Telefon söndü. Söndü technically means turned off. But when does this happen? When the battery dies. So the phone died. Görüş də and the meeting təxirə düşdü. Was postponed. Right? Now, that was the last color I wanted to introduce in Azerbaijani, which was qara. Let's see how else we can use it, maybe that joke way. I ask for a ray of sunshine and got a qara pen in a box. To support you in your journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store and ready to be downloaded. I have built Module 1 completely free, which is the foundational module, and highly recommended to do it over and over. Once you do that, you will set yourself up for success in terms of learning the language. I also have masterazerbaijani.com where I post blogs on multiple topics, including grammar and language on top of historical cultural context. Feel free to check it out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word. I'll see you there. Cheers.